Has your company downsized, restructured, or migrated to new software, but you're still paying for unused SAP licenses? Let's talk about how to fix that. A true down is your opportunity to reduce your SAP license count. But here's the catch. SAP rarely allows it outside renewal windows. Their standard line is simple. Licenses are perpetual. Once you buy them, you own them, which sounds fair, until you realize you're also paying annual maintenance on software you no longer use. That's why timing and strategy matter. If you approach SAP early, ideally 6 months before renewal, and build a business case that aligns with new spend elsewhere, you can sometimes negotiate a partial reduction or reallocation. Then there's license transfers. Inside your company, you can usually move licenses between legal entities or divisions, especially after mergers or reorganizations. But reselling or transferring them externally, SAP forbids it under their contract terms. Here's your tip. Map your actual usage before renewal. Identify every inactive license, every redundant user, and document the business rationale. Then approach SAP with data and a clear trade proposal. For example, trading unused on-prem licenses for future cloud investment. At Redress Compliance, we help enterprises plan true downs, manage internal license transfers, and negotiate smarter renewals, cutting cost without conflict. If your SAP footprint has outgrown your business reality, contact us to help right-size your licenses before your next renewal.